Swadhyaya Pranava. A sadhaka, a spiritual aspirant, should be just like a soldier. He is a soldier because his intuitional practice is nothing but a fight against all depraving tendencies. So you should also follow a particular code of discipline. Shastra. What is Shastra? This code of discipline is being prescribed by the Shastra. Sasanat tarayeta yastu sah Shastra parikirtita. That which helps the sadhaka in attaining that supreme stance of salvation by prescribing the code of discipline and the code of a spiritual cult is called Shastra. Now the Shastra says, Pranavo dhanuh sarohi atma brahmata laksha muchyate apramatena vedyavyang sarvat tanamayo bhavet. The Pranava, as regards spiritual practice, one's meditation mantra is like a bow. One's unit consciousness is like an arrow, and Brahma is the target. One must aim without any inaccuracy and must oneself be like an arrow. For this sadhaka, for this soldier, is the realm of spirituality. His bow should be what? The Pranava Dhvani, Pranava sound. Pranava should be his dhanu, bow. What is Pranava? It is a Sanskrit word, pra prefix, nu root verb, al suffix, that is Pranava. That which helps you in reaching a particular place is Pranava. That very thing, that very incantation that helps you in reaching your goal, reaching the final, the culminating point of all human destinies is Pranava. For a sadhaka, his personal incantation, his own Ishta mantra is Pranava. And in a general sense, this word Pranava is used for Omkara also, because this Omkara, the sound of Omkara, emanates from the supreme nucleus of this cosmological order. And so the sadhaka, the man who comes in contact with that divine sound, certainly reaches the goal, the source of the sound. He who comes in contact with the Ganges is sure to come in contact with the Gangotri, from where the Ganga starts. This content Pranava is the discourse of Sri Sri Anandamurti Ji, published in Ananda Vachanamritam Part 34 and released in electronic edition version 9.0.13.